The Snoopy's on the boat, yeah. On the top of the boat. Yeah. Everybody's dressed up like the Peanuts. That is cute.
Oh yeah, Snoopy is on it. It's Snoopy's doghouse.
That's good. They're all dressed.
Yeah. We're trying to advertise. You know what that one looks like? Corona.
Angels.
There's dolphins.
Oh yeah, there's dolphins. Sand doesn't look like it. I wonder what they're doing. What the heck?
The colors.
It's really nice.
That's different.
Very tastefully done.
Look at that little dinky boat. Oh, they're just backing out. They're just backing out.
What?
They're just backing out. I think they are confused, yeah.
Maybe they had engine trouble.
Oh, now they're thinking what to
They should
do.
have pulled out.
Dinner cruise. Yeah. Dinner cruise, and then you can watch the show and stuff like that. That'd be a good idea. Dinner on the boat. They're dancing.
Santa's disco. '40th boat parade. Merry Christmas.
They need some music going if it's Santa's disco.
I don't know how they're gonna back out. What are they doing?
I'm actually comfortable with my leg.
Don't fall in.
I just need to live right now. What's up, guys?
Can I get a lift?
Yeah. I just spent all the way over there. Started all the way down there. Or...
What is he doing?
Yeah, what is this person doing? Advertising. Being in our way.
He's making it look hard to sail the boat, though, or drive the boat.
I don't know if he's I don't know what he's doing.
No, but
It's gonna like float over into the.
Here comes the
doesn't
party.
make me want to ruin the boat.
Disco going on.
Another disco. It must be a disco.
It's gonna be like disco, like Back to the Future.
Yeah. Or just anything that's
Yeah.
historical. A lot of people happen to choose disco.
That's cool. That's cool. Move!
Oh, I love that
Do
song.
a
God
split.
of Summer.
Oh, that's so pants are cool. Yeah!
Look at that.
Wow.
Pac-Man.
Oh my god, it is Pac-Man.
Oh, yeah.
Pac-Man, oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, and Tetris.
Yeah.
Tetris is on the right. Rubik's Cube on the left. Pac-Man on the right. Rubik's Cube and Tetris. The heck? I have a Rubik's Cube on there.
And Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, that's what I said. Tetris, Rubik's Cube, Pac-Man.
There's a slash in like a roof too.
There's a what?
That looks like slash.
Okay, that looked like Slash on the roof, but wow, I didn't see that. That little bitty boat.
What is that thing? What is that guy? No, the other one.
Oh, that one?
No, the other one. Behind that.
You're just
I
driving.
don't know.
Not,
Yeah.
not even,
It's driving along.
doesn't have any lights on it.
Some people that have boats still on the boat watch it, but they should be. Boy, that's a big one.
Yeah, that one's like right in the roof.
That's a.
Yeah.
They finally got out.
Look at the windows down below.
Oh,
It's
whoa.
kind of cool, isn't it? Those